Hello guys, welcome to Coded. Today we are going to do something amazing. Like we are studying CSS. In CSS we are learning three new topics, and what CSS we are going to learn. In this video we are going to learn about CSS. Let's start it. Okay, 1 minute. I'm opening my Chrome. Here I have ticked what we have to study. What's CSS? CSS is a language which we use to style the HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language, and here CSS is a cascading style sheet. It also have its own what CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CS is a thing which will describe how it should be displayed. Now, while HTML is displaying normally, some colorful, some background colors. This is the thing. What in the sentence you are saying? CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layouts of multiple web page all at once. CSS can control multiple web pages, everything at a in CSS. Okay, external style sheets are stored in CSS files. Okay, when we are building a professional website, external style sheets we store in a CSS file, a particular CSS file. If there is JS, we'll save in JS file. Okay, this is the thing. And so this how we write CSS selectors. The which thing we are selecting, it is known as selector. And a property we use like color, we are giving color, so this is a property. And inside that we give value. Okay, this is a font size, this is a type of property and value, and the both property and value named as declaration. Okay, then here they give example. There are three type of CSS, so we are learning CSS types now. Okay, what's first type? You are so interesting to listen this. What's first type? It's inline CSS. We write inside in the same line of the HTML. I want to give some color for H1. I use inside H1 I use style. Then I write color. Then which color I want, I use that. Then internal CSS. Inline I have to now internal. Inter is written inside the head, so we call the H1, then we give color, background color, then text align center. Okay, here I give. Then external CSS. External CSS is a external CSS file. Then I will show now how to link it. Okay, so let's start. This is the thing what we are learning. Okay, so changes you made may not be saved. Okay, leave. Okay, now we had made this folder, so I will open here. Then I am opening our HTML folder. So inside that I will make CSS. Okay, so this is here. Then inside learning, here is this HTML. So I'll select this folder. Then inside this, I will make a CSS folder. CSS. Okay, I will save this. Then I will open this CSS folder. Okay, this is learning. Then this is our CSS folder. Okay. So now this is day one, so we are going to complete it. Okay. So I have told that in HTML I am going to what we say, I am going to show you YouTube project. So this both YouTube project I will show you uh, YouTube project I will show you in after the CSS. So be ready for that. So I am making this index.html. Then how the CSS folder, external CSS folder means how we make this index.html folders like that. So CSS file has a professional like dot html, we use here there dot css. Okay, so mostly we use style dot css. Okay, style dot css. Okay, this is the way how. Then in HTML we write default code. Then I'll write here day one of CSS. Okay, here. Okay, I will write here h1. So okay, we can start with edit. Okay, at your home there are many containers. As you know, we store snacks in some and in other some grains. Okay, so the container are known as a division here. Here we use division tags. Okay, so shortly and popularly it's known as div. Okay, so we are using div. So tag is div. So okay, in this is a container, so in that we can show. Okay, I am going to build a navigation bar. Okay, here I use in the I write here one heading. So this I write as CSS. Okay, so for this div I want to color. Okay, let's you. Okay, first for this h1 I want to color like it gold. Okay, so here I am using inline, so I am styling this style. Okay, for doing this we use style tag, then inside. Okay, so for color we use color. Okay, so color is a what we say color is a property, then we are giving one value. Okay, so gold I have given, and gold is a value. Then this both together is known as declaration. Okay, then I have given. Okay, this is color. Okay, I want to make it in center. Okay, so for making it center, let's think. This is text. Okay, so we want to align it. So I think there can be text align property. This is a way how this properties are simple. You can understand it like HTML. So this is text align property. Okay, you can align the text left to right starting. Okay, here you can see end start then center. Okay, we want to align it center. Okay, now I have made this div. Okay, so I want this div as what we say width of full. Okay, so width should be full of div starting to left. Okay, so I give this like what internal CSS. Okay, style. Then I want to give this as internal. So I call here div, and you should know everything about ID and class. If you don't know, I am going to make a special video about class and ID in CSS. Okay. After this, I'm going to make that after this or afterwards. I don't know about it. So I have called this div. Now inside div, I am going to give width. Okay, width. Do you know about width? Okay, yes. It's what we say horizontally space. Okay, so I want to give 100% width. Okay, 100%. Okay, so height is vertically vertical space. Okay, so this one in this like, so I want to give height as 40. Let's keep as 80 pixel. Okay, then here, okay, I want to give background color. So here there can be a property known as background color. Yes, okay, here we saw a background color, so I want to give it as black. Okay, I have given. Let's check what we have done. So this is the thing we have created. So let's make this is a container which is colored, and I want to break and bring it into center. Okay, I want to bring it vertically center. Let's give here two breaks. Okay, it's more. Okay, let's see one break. Okay, one break. Okay, this is the thing what I am doing here. So let's increase the break. Okay, there is no chance, so we have to remove the break. Okay, so this is the thing I have to thought today. Then same thing like I'll give a div width. You can give from here also. Okay, 100%. Okay, one thing. How this HTML file or the CSS is for me. Okay, so for this, below the title, we have to link it. So for linking, which tag we can use? Link. Okay, okay, link tag. So here you can see I want to link CSS. So here, so already it has given style CSS, so it's linked. You can see by practicing yourself. Okay, for today's video, this much only. Have a nice day. Like, subscribe, and thank you for seeing my video. Have a nice day. Bye.